That was my personal choice, Apo.
Okay.
That is my personal choice.
Okay.
That's why I have not said it other than to the Lawag City Press Corps.
Yes.
That's why I didn't entertain you
Yes, sir. Oh, it's
the other
okay.
day. I preferred not to say because this is simply my personal choice. That's because I believe that Handy Lau is a very competent concejal. And I believe that Handy Lau would do very well in that position. But that is my personal opinion. Okay? That's my personal
Portala
opinion.
na tayo, iti mayor tayo, iti syudad iti Lawag, lalo ket konsehalang iti Lawag. So, happy. The same time, yung tayo ko nakaruden, nalaket, kita tayo prepared magbagi tayo for kadita nga position. Kasi the last time na nagsasarita, ket pampanunutin tayo pailaing. Ngayon, makita met nga siguro David capability nga agbalin nga PCL president. Iso nga naragsa ka tayo na kon nga suportaran natin mayor ko kay Lawag City. Actually hantay inexpected. Iso nga rod nga naragsak tayo kasi tayo na kon important dakkel nga banag iti endorsement iti mesa nga mayor. July sinno apo nga konsehal from different places no suportaran na kati mayor mo ket medyo naragsak met nga feeling.